Well, hello, fellers. I've got 4 cameras set up. We're gonna clean my truck. I'm trying. Old Murray Reeves in Selma, Alabama used to always say, "Don't you be caught dead driving no dirty car." Well, I won't be caught dead driving a dirty truck, or either at least working on one anyway. So that's what we're gonna do. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras live right now. Stop that. Will you stop that? Well, it did. Oh yeah, now I hear you. With old grease and everything, I'm fixing to hit that with gunk and see if I can't get some of that off.